Hey, it's Chad Tatro and Eric Oros from BlackBerry Developer Relations. In this next video, we're going to discuss the process for requesting and installing BlackBerry code signing keys, along with how to create debug tokens for application testing. In order for any BlackBerry 10 application bar file to be deployed to a physical device, it will need to either be signed with your keys or packaged with debug tokens. If you intend to distribute your application through BlackBerry World Storefront, your bar file will also need to be signed with your keys. To request BlackBerry code signing keys, you'll need to visit https://blackberry.com/signedkeys. You'll want to ensure that you request keys for BlackBerry 10 and that your personal information is correct. If you're not affiliated with an organization, you can use your full name in the company field. Also, it's important to provide a valid email address, as this is where your code signing keys will be sent. The registration PIN is a password that you create. It's recommended to keep this simple, as you will only ever use it once when installing your keys. Upon accepting the license agreement, click Submit and you should have received an order confirmation via email. BlackBerry code signing keys are issued automatically every hour. If you do not receive your code signing keys within 2 hours, be sure to check your spam or junk mail folders. If your keys still haven't arrived after a couple hours, you may want to try a different email address. You should receive 2 emails in total, each with a unique file attachment, client rdk.csj and client pbdt.csj, containing a unique number sequence specific to your code signing keys.
Now that your code signing keys have arrived, let's take a look at how to install the 2 CSJ files you've received. The first step is to save the 2 CSJ files to the Dependencies, Tools, Bin subfolder of your BlackBerry 10 WebWorks SDK installation. Next, you'll want to open a console and navigate to the Bin subfolder. From this folder, execute the BlackBerry Signer command with the register flag. For the store pass value, this is a new password that you are creating right now. You will need this password anytime you use your code signing keys to sign an application, so be sure that this is something that you will remember. The CSJ pin is a pin that you created when you requested your keys in the online form. Finally, you'll want to ensure that you're using your own CSJ file names in the actual command. Once the command completes, this will create author.p12, barsigner.db, and barsigner.csk files on your computer. These 3 files represent your actual code signing capabilities. It is recommended to back up these 3 files. If you ever need to reinstall your code signing keys, or want to enable your code signing permissions on another computer, all you need to do is restore these 3 files to the same folder. On OS X, this would be the library/research in motion subfolder of your home directory. On Linux, this would be the .rim folder of your home directory. Now that your code signing keys have been installed, you can start using them to create debug tokens or even sign your applications. In this section, we'll look at the steps to create a debug token, upload it to a device, and associate it with your WebWorks SDK for packaging. Like most of the scripts we've run, we'll want to open a console and navigate to the Dependencies, Tools, Bin subfolder of your WebWorks SDK installation. This time, we'll be running the BlackBerry debug token request command. Like any signature key script, we'll need to provide the store pass that we created when we installed our CSJ files. The device pin value refers to the pin of the physical device that you will be deploying to. This can be found in the About section of the device's settings. Running the command will create debugtoken.bar in the same bin folder.
Next, we'll want to upload the debugtoken.bar file to the device we specified when we created the token. This means that any application that we package with the debug token will then be able to run on this device without having to sign the bar file. We'll run the BlackBerry deploy script this time with the install debug token flag. We pass the name of our debug token file along with the device's IP address and password. Note that this password is the device-specific password. Finally, we'll want to copy the debug token bar file from our bin subfolder and paste it into the root folder of our WebWorks SDK. This will ensure that anytime we package an HTML5 project with our WebWorks SDK in debug mode without signing, the debug token will be applied to the package and the resulting bar file can then be installed on any device that also has the debug token uploaded to it.